Juai Ratashara Road. Kalong ka very important road pok state jong ma because ka connect ia ka kiwi ki state ma te kalong ba kani ke surau kalau yo sanction arspa point Prabowo road hau bunai Oktober menim sinem arajar hulai katnyo trik nama kelang te kalau yo sanction aku tu poras pa point Prabowo road nang tapat ka government jong state government jong ka Meghalaya macam yo la pen yo ka kalau kot tender nang tapat la yo ki allotment artily ki contractors nang tapat ka kam kalayan dadu ubnai March I think 22nd of March was the kilas dang ka kam na national highway na from Juai to Ratachara nang tapat kani ka kam kalayan mentah ngalai iba ki pajba jungi kila